Peachtree, Chapter 2, a credit memo. There are times when we receive goods and then on opening the package we find that some of the goods are damaged and we need to return them. We can record this in our accounts. We again select the navigation pane, vendors and purchasers. We then move down, we find credits and returns. We enter a new vendor credit memo, which we will hopefully have received after we have returned the goods. So we just select that. Once again, I want to increase the size so I can see what I'm doing. Right, we ordered our sleeping bags off Ellison Products, so let's just pull that up. And we need to select the invoice that we received, which was EP09. And we can see that that was for 2 sleeping bags, and we'll just select the date. We'll say it's the 14th when we received this. And the normal practice is when you either enter credit memos, and very often when you receive them, the reference is usually CM for credit memo, and then it returns to the original invoice, which was EP09. So what it's saying is that this is a credit memo received for an invoice from Ellison Products 09. Okay, we're going to return one of the sleeping bags. So there we are. We select one, tab across, and it tells us we have a credit total of $27.50. Now let's go to the journal. We are, just pull that up. We can see that what's happened here when we've recorded it in the purchase journal, we are decreasing the inventory for the sleeping bags by 1 sleeping bag. So we've decreased the amount that we've got by $27.50, and because it's been returned and we've received a credit memo, we don't owe as much, so we have debited the accounts payable by the $27.50. So we click OK. There we are. And everything's fine there. All we have to do is post it, which means we click on save. So this is how we post our vendor credit memo. Let's click on save, and there we are. That's our credit memo posted.